Hello again, and welcome back to the Mobile Technology Star channel. And today I have a new power tool. I just ordered it a few days ago, and it was so interesting to have it, and it has a lot of functions. So I just received it today, and I wanted to show you guys. It's a new welding machine, but it's a more advanced and digitalized one. So we're gonna unbox it today, and we're going to see its properties and what does it do and the capabilities, as well as I just received 3 packs of different types of welding rods. Electrodes. I just received a pack of this welding rod. I wanted to show you. Black ones. And red ones as well. And I have golden ones as well. That's the first pack. And I have this Easy Weld pack. I don't know actually how much electrodes does it contain, but I think it's a lot. And I have the third pack. So, we'll be showing you the machine and its properties, cause it's different from the other one. And as I told you, it's more digitalized and advanced. So it will be cool just to test it out with you guys and see its capability. As well as I have new clamps I will be showing you guys, which is better, a better cable and the better clamps. Anyways, that's the box of the machine. Here we go. It says MMA 200 Mini. That's what's written on the box. IDWT Industrial. And as you can see, the label comes with the label as well. MMA 200 Mini, IDWT, S02, S001, 230 volt, 50 hertz, and TIG 10.8, 18 volt, 20 to 200 amp. It has a TIG welding. Wow. So, that's the thing I wanted to tell you about. That this machine is different because it has it supports other types of welding. Okay, let's unbox it. Get the screwdriver. Oh no, this part of the screwdriver. Okay. Yeah, this part. Okay, let's unbox it. Yeah. Okay, here we go. Wow. Okay. Just remove the tape. Wow, look at that box. It's covered very well, by the way. That's cool. It's not that heavy, but the box itself is like so protected. Wow. Oh, okay. Here is the manual. Let's put that down. Warranty card. And the manual. Okay, let's put that aside. Let's see the machine itself. Oh, wow! Look how beautiful is that. Oh, it's not heavy as the other one. It's not that heavy. Look. Okay, let's unbox that. Wow. The cable itself is covered well. The power cord. Can you see that? Okay. Like they do take care of their own products. As I can see, wow, look how tall is that power cord. That power cord, like, it's very tall. Can you see that? Can you believe it? Like, I think it's 3 meters tall. Power cord, like you can put the machine far away from your workstation. Okay, is that all? Just the machine and the manual? I don't think so. Oh, okay. Here is the rest of its parts inside. Check that. Look. Inside the box, there is another small box, which is crazy. I know it's crazy. Oh, wow! Look at that. I know it's crazy, but we'll be showing you. We're gonna test this together today. Okay, let's see what's inside that other box. That got me so excited. Woo! Wow! They look so beautiful. That's the rod holder. Let's take it out and see. Let's see how to open that. So we can protect it and reuse it back, maybe. Maybe. I like its cover, plastic cover. I like it. Oh, it's designed just to not to be used again. Okay. Maybe this is how it goes. Wow. Wow. Oh, I love to smell stuff. Plastic. That's the first one. Okay, look at that. And that's the adapter for the Mini. Oh, it's taller than the other one. Wow. 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 I wanted to tell you, at first, I love the machine. I love the machine and I love how it's unboxed and all of that. Wanted to see just a little thing. Just a little thingy. Wanted to check if it's the same adapter, the same size of the adapter or not. Okay, this other one is for the large one, and this small one is for the Mini. Okay, so the guy was right. This one is a Mini. Okay. That's cool. See, same adapter, spare part. I just bought as a spare. Anyways, because I'm gonna make the cable and make those clamps. I just bought them in spare. It's not like I'm going to actually make them, but I'm going to actually assemble them, not make them. Okay, so that's the positive. Let's see what's inside. Of course, it will be the negative. Oh, that it? Nothing else? Oh, okay. Maybe maybe that's all what's inside. Anyways, so like all the other parts, that brush and the face shield, you can get them. It's not a big deal. I had them already. Like, I don't need to have them with the machine. I don't care like if it's comes with the face shield and the brush or not. What we do care about is that they provide a very powerful and reliable, wonderful machine with its clamps for testing. That's it. So let's unpack the negative rod. That's all what's important. A reliable, wonderful machine. Because it's a very expensive machine. Like, it's a very expensive machine, so yeah. Maybe that's why they get the face shield and things like that. But that's not a big deal. That's not a worry. Okay. That's so tall as well. Hey, I'm so excited and interested in this machine more than you can imagine. So it's the same adapter. Why do they look so big? Whew. See? The design itself is wonderful. It's wonderful. Okay, let's see the machine itself. So there's nothing else. It's just the manual and the clamps, both of a negative clamp, and that's all. Okay, let's put all of that aside right now. Okay. Here comes the part of checking the machine and testing it out. Let's see our new best friend. And let's see the machine. Okay, let's adjust. I'm trying to adjust the camera as much as possible for you guys to see the machine. Okay, here we go. Hey there, friend. We're going to have a wonderful time with this machine making awesome projects. Let's try and do some testing and see how it performs. Oh, that messy table. The table is messy. Lots of projects on the table. Okay. I don't want this machine to catch some dirt, so I'm going to put it in a place where it doesn't catch dirt. Okay, here we go. Adjusting the camera for you just to see. I have a good idea. I'm going to do something better. Just for the purpose of this wonderful video, I'm not going to ruin this. Okay. Here we go. Orange colored wonderful machine. Let's see what says on the screen. MMA 200 Mini. And what's that? Digital buttons. Like you can see the rotating button for the lowest amperage to the highest amperage. And other new buttons. I don't know what about them. I can see MMA because it's an MMA machine. Woo! TIG! It can TIG weld. Wow! There is also a VRD. VRD for like most of you who don't know, a VRD is a voltage reduction device or voltage reduction. Just a voltage reduction function. Voltage reduction function is used if you have your home electricity is not stable. You can set it to a voltage reduction and it will work in a voltage reduction condition. So you can make your projects and it will reduce the voltage. And if you get the electricity is not stable and the voltage the electricity cuts off, and when it comes back the voltage is high, the machine will stabilize that. And it will not burn the cards inside and destroy the machine. And also, I've seen a guy who's using this voltage reduction mode to weld under water, which is crazy. I've seen him welding in voltage reduction mode function, welding in a bucket underwater. I will be leaving the link for his video in the description for you guys to see him actually welding underwater. I don't know if it's fake or not. I never tried it, and I don't think I will try that because it's saying never try this at home. And this machine TIG welds, and I wanna take good care of that machine cause this machine has proved more than reliable enough to me. Like, I have TIG mode, which is cool. Not most of the machines have that. I mean the cheapest machines, and not most of them are very light like that, and a mini, and not all of that machines are 200 amps. See, it's cool. Let's test it out. Give it a shot and see. I'm gonna listen to the fans and all of that. It has a serial at the back and a button at the back. Wow. Oh, it's set to TIG. MMA, TIG. This is the voltage reduction. And here is where you raise the amps as usual. Oh, like its screen. Wow. I wanna watch, check it. Wow. I love that machine. I love it so. Wow. The air is blowing from the front and from the right side of the machine, and as well as from the back. Can you see can you listen to the air? As you can see, it's very smooth. Look, it's raising the amperage. Wow, look at how smooth is that. Turn off the machine. Wow, it didn't turn off right away, just like the professional machine. Look. Now it's on. See? I'm going to turn it off right now. Okay? Turn it off. Wow. I'm going to install the clamps and give it a test. And see what happens. Okay. Okay, let's see. Put that curtain in here just to protect the machine from any dirty old projects on the table. Want to test that TIG welding. Wow. I didn't know that it has TIG welding. Okay, an awesome clean setup. Okay, what do I need? To actually need something. Yeah. Okay. I'm going to take that box. Just for the purpose of the video as well, so that we can try TIG welding. Okay, let's install the clamps and test out the machine so that everyone gets happy. Positive clamp. negative clamp. I clamped it. Let's get that PAX out of the way. Let's get those PAX out of the way. Okay. Okay. Safety helmet. The cable is very tall. It's very tall, so that's why I'm taking some time. Okay. Going to test it on that stupid stupid piece of wood. I've just tested. Never do this at home because that may like light up on fire. Because, well, usually it's not recommended to test things on wood because it might turn on fire. So I'm going to weld small pieces of metal. I'm interested in trying this TIG welding. I want to see what does it do if I TIG weld. I think TIG welding is an awesome function. Okay, so here is a piece of a metal. Okay. I need to adjust the camera for a better view of the machine and the welding. Yeah, so now it's set up. Shall we test the new rods? Right, guys? I want to test one of the new rods. The red ones say cast steel, so I want to test that. Would like to test that, but later. So, okay, let's see, easy weld or solicit. Don't know what solicit is. Let's test one of that. Solicit. American WS Standard. Okay, I've seen that earlier. I think this is a wonderful rod, by the way. Let's test it out. I seen people use those and they never complained. Standard welding electrode. Okay, let's get the positive clamp. And wow. Love it. Start to loving it before I use it. Okay, so now we're ready. I will test the TIG weld, and I'm going to wear this awesome safety helmet, electronic helmet of mine, and test it out to see. Okay, I was just cleaning the glass. Okay, I'm wearing the helmet. Okay, so now we're going to TIG weld, turn on the machine. We're ready. Let's see. Let's try that TIG welding. Of course, I cannot TIG weld because I'm just a beginner, but we're learning. I know that I'm not that perfect, so let's put that machine aside a little bit and let's give it a try. Here we go. Wonderful, I can see things using this helmet, and as well as it's protecting my eyes. So that's the TIG mode. Okay, let's turn the camera on the things that I'm gonna weld, and let's test it out. Okay. Okay, let's adjust. Let's adjust its brightness. The brightness of the the helmet. Okay. That's not called TIG by any means. I know. Now I'm welding like a professional. It's welding. Wow. Okay. I love the helmet. I can't see, but it's protecting my eyes. Okay, it got disconnected. Don't know why. Maybe it's not in good contact. Oh yeah. It's not in good contact. So I did set up the camera for a better view and the machine somewhere else. I don't want the machine to get hurt by those sparks because it has like a wonderful color I just want to keep. And we're going to try again the second time. The welding. Hopefully it will be awesome this time. Okay. Wear my helmet. And get myself ready to enjoy a wonderful welding experience. Okay, here we go. Wow, it's welding. It's welding successfully now. Hey guys, I think I'm gonna weld this part perfectly. Going to set up the helmet to a higher mode just to dim the brightness. Yeah, more caution for the eyes. The helmet is cool, by the way, guys. It's welding. Okay, let's set up like this to be close. I hope I don't burn anything. I want to dim the brightness more and more. That's the issue, I'm burning the table. See? Okay. Is it welding yet? Oh, it's welded. Cool. But I don't like burning the table. See? Things can catch on fire easily. So you must weld in an appropriate environment. Because if it's not appropriate, it will catch things on fire. And it might cause an injury, it might burn your stuff that you don't want to burn, which is not cool. Things like that might burn your favorite table. Anyways, we'll leave it to cool down for some time, and we're going to see the weld. It was a successful and awesome experience. And by the way, the helmet, let me show you. This button it turns on and turns off the helmet, and dims the brightness as you adjust it up and down. It will keep dimming the brightness until you cannot see the spark anymore. So it's very, very protective to your eyes and face. I do recommend getting one of those guys. Let's put that aside. So, going to turn off the machine right now. I don't want to burn my table. We will be doing later videos on that. And let's see if like the percentage of the welding. Oh, it's still hot. Ow! It's still hot. Oh, that's on a low amperage. It didn't weld. Still want to make some tests. Okay, so that was unsuccessful because I'm still learning stuff. But the performance of the machine is awesome. It's not that sticky as the professional machine. And it helps you weld stuff. We didn't test the voltage reduction mode yet. I will be testing it out for you guys, but not on this plastic table. I don't want to mess my table. I love my table and I am going to use it for other purposes. So, that was it. Again, thank you for watching. If you have any opinions, or you would like to share an idea about welding, or want to tell me about things to do right and things not to do, please leave me that in the comments. You can comment down in the comment section. I will be leaving you that crazy guy welding under water in a water bucket. I don't know if it's a fake video or if it's a true video. I never tried it, and I don't recommend trying it. Anyways, thanks for watching again, and I will see you next time.